Good afternoon. So my name is Adibola Ike, and I'm here to present my project. So this is the front end of a website or a portal, a school portal should be, and this is the sign-in page of it. So this is Welcome to City. If you don't have an account yet, if you have an account yet, you can use your matric number to sign in with your password, which is Adibola Ike Pass. So once you sign in, or if you have an account, you can sign up there, and you can use your name, your email address, and if you have a Gmail, you can use Gmail to also log in.
So what we're looking at is the working portal. So we're working on this, and very soon we should be having something that you can have get a solution from you that we can plug in into what you currently have, and that makes sense. Thank you, Mr. Adibola, Master Adibola. Thank you very much. This is why we are here. It's about solving problems for the world and not be part of the problems to be solved. You know that some people in this world they are very problematic. There's no solution. They're just disturbing the peace of everyone. But for we here, we are created. We know why we are here. We are here to solve problems for ourselves, for our family, for our generation, for our community, for our country, and for the world. Thank you, Adibola. Next, let's have
programs we offer, news where we publish our blogs, and also some of our galleries where we portray the family of those students. Another page where we show an organized form of our departments, schools and departments, and all our facilities, and a new login design, and also I plan on also creating a redesign of the school's portal that can include students' timetables, where it can be organized, so what we're looking for, what we have next, a calendar for students who need to organize themselves, where we can also have things like our lecturers' notes, because I noticed that we spend most of our time writing notes, dictating and writing notes, and it's not productive for the school environment, because it's supposed to be learning. The majority of our time, in 2 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, is spent on writing notes, while the 30 minutes spent on explanation. So why do all that when we can cut our time into, you have your notes already, listen to your lecture, understand, and then go on to read. Any questions left will be for your lecturer. Where we can also have the same, all the rest of the things we have on our portal, like payments, a library where we can get past questions for students that are coming in to be able to prepare further for their exams, their tests, and where we can get digital books, because although we have a very lovely library in the school here, most of the carrying the notes and fear of damaging the notes is also a problem. So digital library will be where all our digital books will be involved in, where the students can go home, read further, create their own notes, even regardless of their lecturer's notes, and be able to study further. So that is the idea of a new rebrand of websites. Exactly. Everything to make it more digitally appealing for new students, because I have to be honest, our current mode of education and learning is far behind, and when other people, other schools are implementing new things, we'll be way far behind before we can catch up. So that's why I wanted to bring this up, to see whether it will be to your liking. because I believe if we implement this, the sky's our limit.
Yep. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Gabriel, sir.
Master Gabriel, thank you. This is a very good initiative. I was able to pick two major points, or three, which we have to adopt as immediately. Having your lesson note ahead, lecturers can easily send to their students. You can even read before coming to the class. So as you're getting to the class already, there will be more productivity on the part of the lecturer and even for the student, because the time needed now to explain would be will be minimal. Yes, minimal. Compared to the fact that you just first have to write and then decide explaining. That is instructive. You must introduce that. And also for the library as well, we must have a very robust online library. I know we worked on something, we have our own e-library as well, but we can also digitalize it, we can try to do more. And the final one is the website. We must find a way to make it current. We have one, but the world is evolving. It's not waiting for anybody. There are new ways of doing things, new ways of selling, new ways of communicating. You must do what is appealing, what people want to see. What you want to have that new experience. Everybody wants newness. We serve a God of newness. Says His mercies are new every morning. There's a new morning for everyone. So we have to do we have to support them on this. Thank you. Next.
Actually, the dashboard, sales performance analysis dashboard.
What's your name? We don't know.
I'm Otume K.
Otumeri, okay.
Compressed I start to be a data analyst who turn raw data sets into meaningful insights in order to help the business and organization make informed decisions. So right here is a dashboard that it is used to visualize data sets designed with so many insights, KPIs, and slices. At the left hand side is the title of the dashboard. It's a sales performance analysis dashboard. At the top, we have the revenue, cost of goods sold, the profits. Those are KPIs. They are key performance indicators. They are measurable values that help you, give you an overview, understanding of how well your business is doing, how well your business is achieving its goals. And at the other side are slicers. Slicers, they give you an overview of everything that you're working with in your data set. So right here, they are insights. Now, these particular insights, they give you meaningful interpretation of your data set, and they also give you a deep understanding of the data. Right here, I analyze this particular set using the months and also the particular products. I was able to get the worst performing months in this business. So with this particular insight now, the business will know that, okay, in the month of May, we didn't do well. Let us up our game. In the month of February, April, okay, we tried. But this particular month, oh my God, we did really well. What did we do in this particular month to achieve this particular profit? So right here, I was also able to give the most productive sales rep. You know, okay, this particular sales rep is the one that has been doing a lot of work. This particular sales rep, okay, what have you done to achieve this? What are you doing different from others? You can say this one achieved a profit of 438.8 million. Why does one that achieved the least one there, 367.8, although it depends on the target they have to make. And also here I gave a visual representation of the product profit performance. So you know that laptop, there's more profit coming in followed by each product, and then we have the least product that is not really performing well. Why are people not buying Blender? So most times when you have a dashboard, you leave the what question, and then you get so many why. Why is this happening? What should we do? Why is this particular thing happening? Why are we not getting any product and profit? By the last one here, I gave the most productive city. The city that we are in. Okay, imagine a business that is located in different countries. You can actually analyze your data to the stage that it will make it more understandable, not too complex. Then you get some answers like, okay, this is the most productive city. Here I'm getting, but people in this country are buying my product here. So in all, a dashboard it helps a business to really understand how their business is going and if they're actually achieving.
Thank you. Let's do our incoming digital analyst, she is very, very sound. She understands our business, you know. She understands what it entails, what she actually wants to do. You know, analyzing your business will actually help you to scale. And you'll be able to know that, oh, at this particular point, we are not doing well. This time, what do we need to do more, better? Thank you, Mary. Just keep it up. Learn more on this. Get some certificate on this. And before you know it, you see yourself becoming a global brand. Or let me say a global citizen, whereby you can work anywhere in the world. And just be, you know that I have some friends that they are working with some companies in Nigeria and they decided to be residing somewhere in Qatar. I want to live in Qatar and you're working in Nigeria. The head office in Nigeria, so they're working from home, but yeah, you know, and that's it. Some would say, I want to live in the US.
To the post, like, how should I say, let's say to the student enrollment portal, the program offers like entrance requirement. So let's click on them. Let me just go straight there. You click it, you take it back to the enrollment portal. So this is the program entrance I was saying, an e-library. So this is the e-library I designed, just based on the data demo. So I just input everything. And log in. So now log in. You say welcome, Sheldon, you are a student of the school. So they welcome you, they bring out the textbook. So you, if you want to check for the textbook, and the textbook determined from years, from 2005, 2006, 2007, it's based on your own. So it's based on your own consultation, how you want it. So let me just go straight into it. Sorry for taking more time. So let's say we come to maths, 100 level, and just submit. They will bring all the books for that maths, for that exam. So same for chemistry, biology, and also in the language. So no need for each stress yourself, no need for books. So same for physics 100, we'll bring book form for physics. Only these books. Apply to other subjects, biology, chemistry. Zero book form because there was no quiz there. So you don't need to stress yourself going through site to check for books. Like this book here. So that is the student portal. This student portal. For this student portal first, I created a demo that will generate student matric number for the student. And generate the student. This is just a demo. Let me just take an example. It generates the matric number for the student number. So when you log in, it basically says that good afternoon, Trauma. Welcome to the Electricity Student Portal. You have that and you have that. So you can change, you have the ability to change the portal interface to dark or white. So when you click the profile, it will show you your profile, trauma profile, your matric number, your department, your level. So you can log out, take it back to the admission page. Now we'll come to the entrance requirement, which is here. It's for the entrance to school first, for ND, HND, ND1, ND2, HND. Let's say ND is classified in general. So let's take for example computer science. ND, it will show everything for computer science because we're using HND and ND. So it will show you computer science for ND first semester, and classification and summary. For For HND, we have cyber security and data protection. In HND, we also have software and web development. So if you choose for ND, they only bring the course that they are avoiding for ND, which is computer science.
Summarize it.
In summary of everything, I just want to say that in my own belief, with what my colleague just said, I believe the school totally developed and we are not expecting. Thank you.
It is a simple program that converts text to speech using V1TTSX3.
So that's like so it just converts to speech. So like now I guess I have people now follow my voice. So I can just use this model. I'll just type in what I want to say and it just say it on my behalf.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's good. That's you having a support system to the AI. What's the name of your
Yeah.
AI?
Automation.
Automation. Yeah. Don't be shy. You are wonderfully and well created by God. Your voice is unique. We know of
Ellen Paul.
Ellen Paul. She actually used her voice to get to the top in life. So your voice, if well managed, can open doors for you. Some people want to listen to you and just be happy. You bring happiness to some life. Now, wow, this voice is unique. So don't be shy. You are a complete creation, and there is a purpose for you to be here. And God does not make mistakes. So, He's created you for a purpose, but just for you to discover your purpose. And part of what you are discovering is for you to, at least, this is a solution to the world. And I know in time, this is going to come out so big that a lot will be sourcing for this. Thank you very much. Thank you, man. Thank you. Solutions, that is, companies will be buying, schools will be buying. Like you can go and check Edvest. Edvest, they are one of the biggest in Lagos for school portals, for this. Yes, Edvest. You can go and check them out. They provide solutions to most of the big schools in Lagos. Yeah. Thank you.
So, sir, on behalf of the students, I would like to appreciate you, sir, because you gave us this platform. If not for this platform, they wouldn't be where they are today. When I joined the course to the technique and I saw the lab, I was like, this is lab. We have 25, about 25 systems. So we can actually do something from here. And now we have almost all the software we need. So we can actually do a lot of practicals there. So sir, you gave us that platform and let's put our hands together for us. Thank you. Yes, sir, I want to officially ask for permission to begin because I've told them we can set up something like an innovation hub.
Yes.
Where we can start building something for the school. So instead of the school looking outward to get solutions to problems, you can only start here. In fact, there is a project I have in mind. It's about crime reporting. So a crime reporting system. So just last week we got a memo about what is going on in the school. So a student can be in danger anywhere. All you need to do is just don't talk. Take a picture, send it, and whoever needs to see it, and something will be done immediately. So that's one of the things I wanted to start working on. Then also plagiarism checker, where we can submit our assignments, our projects, and we check whether it is online somewhere. So those are the two projects I wanted. So I want to form a team where they can work and they have different talents. So if they come together, they can actually propose solutions to the problem we have. Then they can also mentor the ones we have. So once they see that they are really growing, they are succeeding in what they have chosen to do, others can learn from them and become what they want to be. So, and again, we can also exhibit some of these things somewhere, science exhibition, take it to the world anywhere, people will see that something great is coming out of it.
Yes.
So
that's very important. Yeah, what you're saying is that we can have our own Silicon Valley there, whereby that innovation hub can be a resource center, whereby we can be turning out talents, I understand that we have to do it. You have to do it, I like good initiative. That's how you can move forward in life. As we speak, I have a friend. He's in Nigeria now. In fact, I was to bring him here today. He's an IT expert, and I gave him 10 of my guys just for him to train them on cyber security. It's called Risk Management Framework, RMF, so that they can detect any intruder coming in that wants to infiltrate your system or maybe just to manage, and they are currently training them, and they receive their lectures every Saturday. And afterwards, we'll be having them as consultants. We'll be creating a department whereby they consult for organizations, And because we also are building 2 major applications, we're working on our Microsoft ArcPay MFD app and the ArcPay Global app, whereby we'll be having having what's called a converter into the app, can convert currency, and if you have a naira, you can convert to dollars, you can convert, and you do your seamless banking. It's all about financial inclusion. So we are going to do this together, and I might also bring Mr. Amobosiola to come and have a word with these young ones, just to encourage them also. Maybe next week we can work on that. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.